Some of these top trending and grossing movies around the world has allowed me to make over $3,125.88 in just 24 hours with this brand new CPA marketing and affiliate marketing strategy. Before we continue, I just want to show you that this is my live CPA Grip CPA marketing dashboard with my daily revenue over here. And just to show you that this is not some kind of screenshot or anything like that, I'm just going to reload this page to show you this is live. So yeah, you can see this is indeed my live earnings with this. And I'm going to show you how we can go and catch all of this traffic over here on these trending grossing movies around the world and make boatloads of money online with CPA marketing and affiliate marketing with this simple website over here that will actually turn these movies on spreadsheets into done for you websites where we can actually go and capitalize on clicks, affiliate commissions, and CPA commissions at the same time. This is a very interesting strategy that I've put together over the last couple of hours that has really been working well and generating a lot of money online. So if you want to replicate this and copy and paste exactly what I'm going to do, make sure to watch this video until the end. You don't want to miss this one. I also just quickly want to announce that I'm still running my Black Friday special on the Drop Servicing University program. So this is the first link in the description. When you get to the checkout page on this coupon section over here, type in the following coupon code. It's BLACK80. Click on the tick button and you will see it will take over 80% off this entire program. You get lifetime access, over $11,000 worth of bonuses and content in this program. So if you want to go and claim this for this Black Friday deal, it's only going to be lasting for about 4 or 5 more valid coupon entries before it actually expires. So I recommend go and grab your discount while it's still lasting. And also another thing I want you guys to go and do is I want you to go and comment down below what methods you would like to see me make more content on my YouTube channel. Would you like to see more PayPal money methods, affiliate marketing methods that pay direct to bank, Bitcoin or cryptocurrency strategies, drop servicing where we sell services? Would you like to see Forex trading and trading on the Forex markets and making money live on the screen with me? Comment down below so that I can get a good idea of what type of content you guys want to see on my channel. Also, don't forget to leave a like. It really pumps me up when you guys leave positivity on this channel. And also make sure you're following this channel with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an epic video just like this one. But without further ado, we're not going to waste any time. And the first thing you want to do is you want to come over to this website over here called boxofficemojo.com. Now, I've actually made a similar video on this before, but this is a updated and a way better version of this. All you want to do is you want to click on the all-time bar over here. Then you want to click on top lifetime grosses, and you can actually go and view the top lifetime movies that have made the most money since they have existed. So here we've got number 1 is Star Wars The Force Awakens, made nearly a lifetime gross of $1 billion. Avengers Endgame, $850 million. Avatar, Black Panther. I mean, these are all movies I'm pretty sure everybody who's seeing my screen right now knows about this. So we can actually go and use all the virality around these movies to actually go and make boatloads of money online by basically giving away this movie in exchange for a CPA or affiliate offer. We make commissions off of that, and we can literally run a simple Google ad on that free movie, and you can get millions of clicks and potentially thousands of sales with this. So let me give you a little bit of an example on this. If I go and search on Google Avengers Endgame free download or free stream, there are thousands to hundreds of thousands of people around the world searching for these free movies to download every single month. I mean, obviously, because these movies have done so well, they're popular movies, so they're getting a lot of attention. Everybody in the world knows these movies, so this is a great way to actually go and capitalize on this. Then what we're going to go and do is, before we go and continue, you want to come over to this website over here called cpagrip.com. You want to click on monetization tools over here. You want to go and click on URL and file locker over here. You want to click on create a new locker over here. Click on agree to the terms and service. Click on continue. And over here, all we want to go and do is we want to go complete a survey below to get your free movie or free movie over here. For our locked URL over here, we want to come over to a website called See Movies on Google. Click on the first link. It's called See Movies Online, where we can actually go and stream free movies all over the internet. Now, what we are basically doing is we are locking this URL with a CPA offer. That means in order for people to get their free movie, they need to complete a CPA offer where we get $3 to $4 commission for every single person that completes this offer, which is a great win-win for everybody. I mean, you getting paid $3 and your lead is getting a free movie. So on cmovies.com, there will be a couple of ads. Just click on them on the search bar, close the ad, and you want to go and search, for example, Avengers on the search bar. Wait for the pop down to come up over here, and let's just go and look for, here you can see is Avengers Endgame. Now if I actually click on this, take a look at this, you can actually go and play this movie and stream it live on this website. We're just waiting for this website to load, and take a look at this. If I click on the play button, there will be 1 or 2 ads. Just close the ad, click on it again, and yeah, you can see this full movie is now going to play. I can skip through. It won't ask you for any kind of sign up or anything like that. If I actually go and click on halfway through the movie, take a look at this. As you can see, it's the full length movie completely for free over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and copy the link to this movie over here. We want to come back to our CPA grip over here, paste your locked URL over here. Now what you want to do is just click on show offers over here. Let's go and use, for example, United States as our offer. So click on United States. Let's go and get $1,000 sent to your Cash App. So we can go and click on this one. And over here, you can see your lead now needs to complete any kind of offer. So once they, for example, download this free app called Bible Quotes, their movie will then be unlocked and you will get $3 to $4 commission for the specific CPA offer, which also kind of verifies that they are human. So then what we want to go and do is we want to go and save this link over here. So you'll see once you've saved your file locker, click on Get Links and save this over here. The next thing you want to do is you want to come over to a Google spreadsheet and you want to create the 4 following headings: your movie, your requirements, your description, and then the link to that content locker over here, which is that CPA grip offer to the live stream movie. Firstly, we want to go and do our movie number 1, which is Avengers Endgame. For example, over here, let's go and do the requirements: complete 1 offer to unlock. For the description, we can type here full movie stream, and then for the link, you want to go and copy your link to your content locker over here. So let's go and paste this over here, because then what we're going to do is we have a tool over here called spreadsimple.com, which is actually going to turn this entire spreadsheet to a done for you website. It's such an epic tool. Now what you want to do is you can go do a couple of other movies. We can come over to the top lifetime gross. We can use, for example, Avatar, Black Panther. We can use Avengers Infinity War. So we can just go Avengers Infinity War, and we just want to go a couple of these movies. I would say about 4 or 5 of them, and again, complete 1 offer to lock. Let's just drag this down. Complete 1 offer to lock, full movie stream, and then over here, obviously, you're going to paste your link for each and every one of these. So I'm just going to go and paste my affiliate link, and then what you want to do is you want to click on the share button over here. You can just save this. You don't have to worry about the name. For the link, click on change to anyone with link. Copy this link. Come over to this website called spreadsimple.com. Click on try it now completely for free. Click on continue with Google and log in with your Google account. Click on plus new website over here. And all you're going to do is you're going to place your spreadsheet link over here. Click on continue over here and take a look at this. This has now generated my own done for you website based on the spreadsheet. We've got Avengers Endgame, Avatar, Black Panther, and Avengers Infinity War. We have full movie stream, complete 1 offer to lock, and you've got all your affiliate links to the content locker that we created over here on cpagrip.com. Now you can actually go and share this website and literally tell people I've got 4 free movies, free stream, Avengers Endgame, Avatar, Black Panther, and Infinity War. If you want to go and watch them, head over to this website here, just complete an offer, and you will get the free stream for lifetime. And like that, you can go and make 4 times your CPA commissions on all 4 of these offers. If one person wants to go and get all 4 of these movies, they need to complete 4 offers, which means 4 times the income for you. And obviously, we need to just go and edit this title and page over here. So we can need to go and type here 4 free movies to stream below. We can go in HD and then page subtitle, top 4 all-time grossing movies below. Then what we can go and do is we just maybe want to go and change a cover image. So let's come over to Google. We can go and search, for example, let's go and search Iron Man over here. We can come over to images, And let's go and just go and click on, I think it's tools over here, click on usage rights and click on Creative Commons license, and it will load up all the images that we are allowed to use. So let's go and use, for example, this Iron Man image over here. So we're going to open this up in a new tab. We can just go and save this to our PC. Come back to Spread Simple over here, click on the cover image, and you just want to upload a new image. So click on upload, double click on it, and it will upload to your website as your background image, and it will actually look really, really cool. Let me take a look at this. Click on save, and here you can see my website is now complete. We can then click on publish over here. I just click on save, click on open, and this is what your website looks like. 4 free movies to stream below in HD. We've got Avengers Endgame, Avatar, Black Panther, and our affiliate links to each. So if we're going to go to Avatar, we click on the affiliate link. They need to complete this offer over here. For example, get Bible quotes. That's an application they need to download. Once that's done, it will take them to their free stream on cmovies.online. So that's a great way to literally get tons of money online giving away free movies. Now you can go and run Google ads on this page. You can go and give this away on Quora groups, Reddit pages, Facebook communities where you can give away free movies. You can literally post this on your Instagram and Facebook story, give it away on TikTok, whatever you want to do. You just want to get as many people to this page as possible giving away your movies. But what I'm going to do is to help you out to even make more money online. I've got an entire series on my YouTube channel where I actually make money live on my screen in front of you on the Forex market. So over here, I've got my Forex trading playlist, which will actually go through. You'll see with me in the 20 minutes, you can actually trade live with me, and I'll show you all my profits, all my results, 20 minutes live on that screen. So you can go and click on this playlist over here. Really, really valuable strategy to make money on top of your money. Click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.